How to mine Dogecoins. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can mine Dogecoins. Very simply, all you have to do is just watch this video until the end and you will know how to do so. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So before I start, I would like to tell you that we need to have a couple of things, and don't worry, everything is free. But I do have to say that if you truly want to mine cryptocurrencies, then you're going to need a very powerful PC or a miner. Now over here, these are the miners. They're also called mining rigs, all right, and they're basically small computers with lots and lots of GPUs. So as you can see, it has like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 GPUs installed over there, and they're all using mining, and each GPU will depend, and each and mining cryptocurrencies require hash rates, and you can find a hash rate of your GPU if you just type your name. So for example, if you have, let's say, a RTX 3050, all you have to do is search for hash rate. All right, see, RTX 3050 hash rate. When you do that, you'll probably come over here and to this website. Over here you can calculate the mining. So all right, so you can just go ahead and add in all of the information over here, and then you will know. So it's pretty simple. And over here on the left side, you will have your information. So you have your algorithms, you will have your coin and the mining client, the mining OS, and Windows Node and stuff like that. So everything will be good, and down below you will have your algorithms and the coins that you will be gathering. So over here is going to be your estimated daily coins that you're going to earn. This is going to be your cost, and estimated daily profit is going to be over here on the left side. So it all depends on you and all depends on your PC. So make sure you get that. And if you have a powerful PC, you can go ahead and start mining the cryptocurrencies. But if you don't have one, then be sure to get a mining rig if you want to calculate all of the cost of your bills, the electricity bills and all of that, and just calculate them together to find out your costs, and then you can go ahead and move on. So now that you know, so let's get started. So let's say you have your mining rig, your PC is powerful enough to handle mining cryptocurrencies. What would you do next? It's very simple. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to need a cryptocurrency wallet. And since you're going to be mining Dogecoin, then you're going to need a Dogecoin wallet. So just simply come over here and search for dogecoin.com. It's going to take you over to their main website where you can find their wallet. So over here, just simply click on wallets at the top left corner over here, the top bar, and it's going to take you down below. And over here, you will have two coins, all right? You have Dogecoin Core and you have multi-Doge. Now, if you want to know what this are, you can go ahead and read this. So it basically says that if you have to sync with blockchain to use Dogecoin, right? Multi-Doge is a light wallet. It syncs with the blockchain by skimming through the blockchain, providing fast sync times. Whereas Dogecoin Core, on the other hand, is a full wallet. It syncs by downloading it, providing it a solid working Dogecoin wallet. So basically what you will need to do is you need to download the Dogecoin Core, the more fully wallet, so that it's much more functional. All right. Or you can go ahead and download the Android version as well. So it all depends on you. So I'm just simply going to go ahead and download the wallet. Simply come over here, click on Windows 64-bit, simply click on it and download it. And just simply download it and save it onto your PC. Give it a few seconds and then it's going to be downloaded and you can run the application. It's going to take some time because it's going to download all of the data and then it's going to sync it. All right, as it says over here, it syncs by downloading the data. All right, and it depends on when was the last time you synced your data. So for me, this is going to be the first time, so for me it's going to take like quite some time to sync, like maybe like years. So I think about 8 years. So but we'll see right here, it's going to tell me. All right, so over here you can store all of your settings. So let me just go ahead and change my location and choose C. I'm going to create a new folder and I'm going to call it, and I'm going to select the folder. All right, and just allow access. All right, and boom, there you go. So now it's loading the wallet. It's going to download all of the data. So let's just go ahead and wait for it to see how much time it's going to require. In my opinion, I think it's going to take like a couple of days to download it. So over here, as you can see, it's estimating it, it's calculating it. So over here, as I said, 8 years and 18 weeks behind. So now it's going to download all of that data since 8 years ago, and then you can go ahead and use it. So you don't have to worry about it. You can still use the wallet. All right, like it doesn't really matter, so you don't have to worry about that. right? So you have your transactions over here. You're gonna have your much receive amount over here, and you're gonna send your amount over here. And in files, you have all of your settings, such as your open URL, your sign message, verify message, backup wallet, import privacy keys, and all of that. And then you have your settings to encrypt your wallet and help, and as well as that. So don't worry about that. It all depends on you. So right now, as I said, it's 8 years behind, so it's really, really bad. So once this is finished, you'll get your Dogecoin wallet address. But if you download the application, I think it's going to be much more faster. So I would recommend downloading the Android application as well, because it's going to show you your wallet and you can use that as well. So now you have your Dogecoin wallet. All right, now what's next? Now you're good to go. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go over to this website called unmineable.com, and over here we're going to go ahead and download their miner. Now this is probably one of the most important ones over here, because this is probably one of the most important steps over here. You're going to need a good miner. So what is a miner? It's going to basically allow you to mine everything. So you can go ahead and use others as well, but I feel like unmineable is one for beginners. It's really easy. You don't have to do a lot of work. You just have to download it and let it run. So beginner friendly. So if you want to learn how to do it, so it's better to just download it and let it run. Choose your cryptocurrency and then let it run in the background while you learn how to mine, and then you can expand into more advanced software such as Raspberry Pi and all of that. So as I said before, right now we're searching for the coins. So we have a bunch of ones over here. So for coins, as you can see, these are all the coins that you can mine on Unmineable. So you have a lot of options. So you have Cardano, you have Bitcoin, you have Bitcoin Gold, Dogecoin, as I said before, Holo, Sia Coin, Tron, TXR, all of that. But we're here to download Dogecoin. So we're going to choose Dogecoin, and it's going to tell us to download the miner over here. And to download the miner, all you have to do is choose whichever one you want. So you have your ETH, you have your ETH over here, you have your KAW POW and random MX. So these are basically rigs that you can download. So it all depends on you. So if you want like Ethereum Ash, which is runs on graphics card, and you have Ethereum Cash, and then you have KAWPOW and random MX. What you're going to need to do is you're going to switch over to random MX. All right, this is more CPU friendly, and it's available for mining via CPU, and the average between rewards is 5 minutes, and last reward was 15 seconds ago. So and standard mining fee is 1%, and payouts from 30 Dogecoin. So it's really nice, really simple. So all you have to do is just input your wallet address and you're good to go. So let's go ahead and download their mining rig. All right, it all depends on you. So let's go ahead and click on the download over here, the easiest miner for beginners. Then you have these two options. So you have miner files included or main version. So you can choose whichever one you want. This is the beta version, but I recommend using this one. So just simply click over here and download this application on your computer, and just let it download. And once it's downloaded, we can go ahead and run. So let me just look over here on my Dogecoin real quick. How far did I go? So yeah, it's taking quite some time right now. So we'll just let it run in the background. So now I'm going to go ahead and pause this video right here, because right now it's downloading, and then I can show you what to do next. All right, so now the miner has been downloaded. Let's go ahead and open it up and install it. So I have to first extract it. And also, guys, remember that a miner, for some reason, the virus in your Windows, the antivirus or virus protection system, it's going to detect it as a virus, and it won't let you install it. So be sure to turn it off for once, and then use it. So let me see if it's on right now. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it off for a while, and then I'm going to install it. All right, see, it already detected it. Now let me just go ahead and find it. Where did I put it exactly? I think it was in this. There we go. Let me just go ahead and extract it over here, and once it's extracted, just double click it and run the application. All right, so as you can see, simply click on continue, and over here is basically where you're going to be entering in your Phoenix miner, is basically where you're gonna be running it. So over here, all right, so these were the two ones. So all right, so this was the first option. This one requires you to input the file. So if you have an xmrig file, then you have to put that file in it. So just simply click over here and manually download the xmrig file, which can be found over here. and you can go ahead and download it and put it in. But if you don't want to use that, what you can do is you can download this version, which is the miner files included. So just simply download this version and you won't have to download any file whatsoever. So let me just show you. So I'm going to go ahead and download this version as well, and I will show you once it's downloaded. So okay, so now that that's downloaded as well, let me just show you how this one looks. So I'm going to go ahead and extract it over here. There we go. Now let me just go ahead and run the application. Actually, before I do that, let me just close this one up, and here we go. So this is the unmineable, and it's really easy. So just simply click on continue, choose whichever resource you want. So as I said before, it all depends on you. I don't have a graphics card, so I'm going to choose the CPU. I'm going to click on next, and over here just enter in the type of coin you want. So I want the Dogecoin, which is this one, and then just enter in your address, in which you can find it over here. So I already have that. All right, I downloaded the application. It was much faster. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and enter in my code, and then I will click on start, and it's gonna start to mine. And here we go. So as you can see, this is the current hash rate that you will get over here. It all depends on your GPU, your CPU, how fast it is, how powerful it is, and that way you're going to be earning Dogecoins. And as soon as you earn like 2 Dogecoins, you can go ahead and cash them out. So it's really simple, it's really easy. So that's how you do it. That's how you mine Dogecoins. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I hope to see you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.